Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play a new game in Red Dead Redemption 2 Full Guide. Start by launching the game, selecting Story Mode, and creating a new save file before beginning missions. Complete the opening tutorial to learn basic movement, combat, and interaction. Take time to tweak camera and controller dead zones, then practice riding and aiming. These small steps make the first hours more comfortable and more fun. In this video, I will show how to play a new game in Red Dead Redemption 2 Full Guide. Focus on mastering movement, aiming, and quick weapon swaps early to avoid frustration. Use Eagle Eye to tag animals while hunting and to spot mission clues. Spend time practicing horse control and mounting because travel is constant. With steady control and patience, you will handle shootouts and hunts more smoothly and enjoy the story. In this video, I will show how to play a new game in Red Dead Redemption 2 Full Guide. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep sauces sealed, perfect for long play sessions or real-life travel snacks. They fit in a backpack and clean up fast, so you spend less time worrying and more time gaming. If this helped, subscribe and like, check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to play a new game in Red Dead Redemption 2 Full Guide. Start by prioritizing small missions, bounties, and side activities to gather cash and upgrades. Hunt a mix of animals for pelts and provisions to craft better equipment. Keep an eye on dead eye, health, and stamina cores by eating, resting, and using tonics. These steady habits make progression smooth while you explore and roleplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.